Welcome back to Creative Electron. We're looking at different applications today for our TruView Cube. Right now we're looking at an LED board for some voiding. So this is an image I just took from this board, one of these LEDs here, and you can see the pads and definite voiding areas right here. We also have software that you can use to calculate the percentages of the voiding. The voiding software can also be used to calculate your voiding in QFNs, op amps, other power devices across your circuit board. Being able to calculate the voiding in our pads here is critical, especially for LEDs where it requires a lot of heat dissipation. The more voiding you have, the less heat is going to be able to transfer from that hot LED or QFN or op amp to the board to dissipate that heat. And the less voiding there is, the less heat can transfer, and it's going to decrease the life of that component. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 760-752-1192 or go to creativeelectron.com. Thank you.